Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Give you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe with us. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So let's go ahead and give you some of the trade ideas we had this morning off the open of the US session. We did have some resistance that we held and got an opportunity short. Market came all the way down into those 40.72s, and then from there we started to see some upside, some nice support, and then some upside. Nice double bottom here. Wanted to see it get down into those 40.60 25s, but didn't get all the way there, which is okay. Again, we had some nice short opportunities to the downside, and then again we did have a nice long opportunity after price pushed through this area of 41.07 and started to come back a little bit. Nice long right back into those 41.28 to 32. So that is how we look to trade the US session this morning. Most of the first hour was just a downside movement. That next hour is when we started to see some upside movement. You can see the market came all the way up to these 77s and past that, so somewhere around 41.90. Now for the London session, what we want to see is S&P hold these 77 to 72s. Nice bounce here would actually make a good double bottom here for a push back to the upside. Target levels 42.0450 to about 42.1150 is the areas up above. Now if we can't break this, this is going to be our short opportunity here off a double top for a nice short right back down to the bottom of 41.77 to 72. Now if we just break right through 42.11, next level up 42.35.75. So keep an eye out for that. Again, holding that support of 72 will continue to bring us higher into these 04 to about 11s. So keep an eye out for that for the London session and maybe even to US session. Moving over into gold, let's take a look at what we had for gold. So gold, we got support coming in 1870 to about 72.1. We are looking for this to pull back here and then hold support, then continue higher. Next level above for me is 1890.1 as resistance. Supports underneath those 70.8s is going to be 1862. I'm sorry, 1866.2 and then 1859 even. So if we do break that 70, look for the market to try to travel down to 66 and then maybe even below that once you break that into 59. That's what we're going to be looking out for on gold for the London session. And coming into crude oil, we are right at support. So we do want to actually see this hold these 116.52s. Now, if this can hold support here right in our zone, we're going to be looking for another push back to the upside. We may see gold try to continue to climb. Again, we have a larger target all the way up at 150. So we'll see if crude oil can actually get to that upside there of 150. But right now, support 116.52 to about 116.91. That's our zone of support, and we are looking for that bounce right off this bottom area for a continuation to the upside. So keep that in mind. Now support underneath that 115.85 could get a bounce here if we just break right through that. Next level 114.25 and then 112.31 to about 111.53 as another zone down below for support. So we're going to keep an eye out for that for crude oil. Now if we get rejection up here at 118.77, look for a nice short opportunity here off a double top coming right back down into that support. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Any questions, pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Make sure if you guys trade with discipline and patience. Follow your rules. Don't make any exceptions to the rules. That will cause a lot of bad habits. And again, make sure that you don't allow bad habits to creep in, because for trading, that will cause you to sabotage your trading and blow out your account. Alright guys, you guys take care. Have a great day.